Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakani ka jing kendo bat kinong patai kubor ka jela. Uni unang ilam kalyang persya, haka yang darbar thawaan ka jela. U Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulakran ru Halor ki Kynram ha Northeast Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences. Kata Kajingja ya pani bor hapadeng u director jang kaning hospital but ki doctor jang katnan cardiology ha Neigrihms mau diang.
We are fortunate to have this Neigrihms, a premier medical institution. Today we see most of the public health center, community health center, the district hospitals, the civil hospitals referring patients to Neigrihms. So it is serving as a tertiary referral center, not only for Meghalaya, but for the people of the whole Northeast as a whole. We see lots of patients coming from Arunachal Pradesh, coming from Nagaland, coming from Assam, from all across Northeast. And we are happy that we are privileged to have Neigrihms here. But today what is happening in Neigrihms and the lack of seriousness from the state government to somehow ensure that certain situations which are avoidable can be avoided to save lives. I am very disturbed. I would like to condole the death of that lady from Afla who became victim of this whole tamasha that has been going on in Neigrihms, which should have been immediately intervened by the state government and advisory given to the administration of Neigrihms that patient when they are in critical condition and because of whatever is going on in Neigrihms, if there is a patient in a critical condition, then is it not necessary to give them advice that you immediately refer them to another hospital so that we save lives? How is it that today you don't find any response from the state government? You find that okay, state government thinks that okay, chalta hai jo hone do hone do. This is the kind of government the people expect in a democracy. That they will occupy the position of power without a sense of responsibility. It's a very dangerous trend. Therefore, people have to ask them whether the health minister should be taking the responsibility, or the chief minister should be taking the responsibility, or who have to take the responsibility. Is it always necessary for people to knock the door of the judiciary? People knock the door of the judiciary seeking intervention from judiciary only when people start losing hope in the executive. So this itself is a reflection of people's loss of faith in the government. I will put it in a simpler form. So we are disturbed and we are sorry that precious lives are being lost. I condemn this attitude of this government, the government which is so desperate to remain in power without the sense of responsibility.